Oh, Freddy, that spider over there's smoking.
What have I told you about trying to make me jealous, bitch?
What's up, YouTube? How's it going? What have I done to my thumb? It's not focusing again. Oh, I need to get myself a camera. I don't know what that's doing. It's making it focus. Look, that's what you have to do. Right, this is going to be super quick. Here they are. They're just there for you. They are the Blazer. They are the not mid. Are they mid? Yeah, mid 77 vintage. Now, you probably know on this channel I don't do many of this colour, white, pure white. As you can see, the bottoms are shut up already. Look, that's gross. I mean, just tap that out there like that, but they're still dirty. Look, I mean, that's treading on a clean mat as well. These are what everyone's moaning about from the night joggers, or at least it's Teddy. Yeah, he said it looks crap, but I don't think it looks that bad. I must admit it looks silly on a brand new pair of trainers or sneakers, because you can tell it's not ripped and they're not vintage, you know. But I mean, when I used to buy these a couple of years back, they used to do like yellow soles as well. They used to yellow the soles up, but these are like a sail colour. So I'm going to be very quick here. You've got a really rough suede there. This is a nice leather. It's fairly soft. I'm guessing that is a synthetic. No, it looks like real suede. I don't know, it's like a new book, that. Strange, not quite sure. Let me just see if I can focus onto it.
Focus, Danielson. Focus. Just a little bit harder.
You can see the grain in it, can't you? Sort of like a very fine grain. I'm not quite sure about that. You got the Nike on the back that's been kind of rubbed off. There, look. That hasn't been done in the box. That's actually like that. I must have 10 pairs of these. I used to wear the low version, the black suede low version, with the white cream tick on. I'll try and find them actually. I forgot. I was going to look for them. Yeah, so you got this bit here as well. Got my gloves on today. It's fairly cold. These are thin shilluk, whatever that means. Insulation, 40 gram. I think they're from Aldi's or Lidl's. I think I've already showed you them actually. But yeah, they were probably about £10–15. But they're nice, really soft leather gloves. And I've got my Nike Air cap on today, which I think I've shown you before as well, which goes well with these, I think. Although they're not Nike Air and they're not black, but I think it goes fairly well. I do like the vault inside. I don't know why they don't put things like that on the outside, but there we go. Yeah, so inside you've got the blue check or tick, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, they are leather on the outside. Look, you can see the leather symbol in there, look. So these are leather. They should be. I think I paid £100 for them. 120, 100, something like that, but they're only about £80 in the shops. I mean, I pay credit for my trainers, so I can pay for them over, I think I owe thousands. So they are anyway. You've got the white laces. I don't think you got any more laces in with them. You've got the blue tick here. There is another. The reason that I got them though is, I'm going to be truthful, it's not because everyone else is sort of big on them at the minute, because I've liked blazers for a while. It's this is the reason here. If you look here, this date here, oh, 72. No, these are actually called the Blazer 77. Blazing the trail for modern hoop shoes. The Blazer quickly made a mark on and off the court. The premium crafted upper is attached to the sole through a superior vulcanizing process that only a few Japanese factories could do at the time. Yeah, I actually thought, because here's the box, that they were the 77. It says 77 there. That's my date of birth anyway. These are a UK 10. I find that they come up fairly big blazers. You've got the old style sort of Nike box, whatever you want to call it, with the writing on. Nike on that side there. Great big Nike. Yeah, that's a nice box. I like that box. And that's about it really. I mean, I've just about covered everything. You've got the herringbone traction. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's supposed to be like a... I don't know. I thought it was something to do with tennis, like the shape on the tennis ball, but I don't think it is. To do my research better, won't I? Yeah, so these are vulcanised, so don't put them in the tumble dryer. I had a pair of Nike, the ones with the 3 straps across, very much like the Stan Smiths, and I put them in the tumble dryer and I thought, what's that burning smell? Anyway, I took them out and they were in 2 pieces. The bottoms had just fallen off. I think I've still got them somewhere, so obviously I could glue them now and know a bit more about trainers. Yeah, I don't think these are fake. Look, I know they're not fake because they're from somewhere that just wouldn't sell fake trainers, and they're brand new out anyway. They've only just got them in this week. You can get them on the sneakers app, I do believe. I just thought I'd show you all before you went and brought them, but yeah, I've got one on foot. I've just done. You've got the sort of off-coloured white nylon. It's like a nylon tongue. Obviously it's got the rips all the way down. I'm not quite, I don't know whether I like that one or not. Yeah, so the only reason I didn't wear the high blazers a few years back when they were in fashion, I'd say probably 2014 time. I've got about 2 or 3 pairs that I've not even worn from them that I brought at the end. As you know, trainers go like that, or they were kind of just dipping back down again, you know, like Yeezys are sort of right down at here now. And I brought a load thinking, oh yeah, I'll make a few quid on them. It wasn't the YouTube channels around like they are now, so you just have to do a bit of guesswork. Well, the reason I didn't is because they're so hard to get on. I mean, I've had to undo them to that sort of level to pull them on, and I've just nearly, well, actually got cramp in my leg. Sorry about the aeroplane. Yeah. I did actually get cramp in my leg taking them off because they're so hard to get off. But yeah, I do like this rough suede there. That's really nice, the way it's sort of stitched on here. And then you've got your holes here because they do get a bit sweaty. They're not really a summer trainer, although they are white. So, I mean, technically they are sort of a trainer that would be more worn in the summer. And then you've got all the leather on the inside here, which is nice. That's really, really soft. I don't know whether that's real leather. It's really soft, that is, inside. That could be synthetic leather, but yeah, you've got the leather inside. So yeah, I think I've just about covered everything. Please subscribe. I don't know why I'm not getting any subscribers. I really do spend a lot of money trying to get these sorts of things to people. I don't get any money for it, so subscribe will help me on the way to that 1,000. I'm near 200 now. I've got about another 28, 30 to go. So please press the subscribe. All you got to do is just press it like that. Don't press the shield. I mean, obviously, just press it like that. Say that's the subscribe button there. All you got to do is just touch it with your finger, and then you subscribe. If you don't want to, if you don't want your phone to keep going bing, bing, bing all day long, don't press the bell. But if you want to know when I drop a set of trainers, or a pair of trainers, sometimes I drop 2 or 3, 4 at the same time. Yeah, press the bell and you'll be the first to know about it. So there you go. That is the Nike or Nike, depending on where you live and what region you live in, blazer mid 77 vintage. We out of here. Wait, hang on a minute, I've just got to take my gloves off and I've took them off. Okay, I'm going now. Okay, I'll see you later, yeah? I better move the shoes out of the way. I'll see you later. Okay guys, I'm not very well today, so I probably look like shit, although I look like shit every day. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to Anthony, Levine and Me and My Kicks for shouting my name out. Also, Mr. Skinny and Ultimate Shoe Tube PFPV, or is it PVF? Or is it P? I can't. Oh, I'm just gonna have to have a look. Hang on a minute. But thanks anyway. If I don't come back to you, he knows who he is anyway. Thanks very much, everyone. Oh, this is 3M, by the way. Oh, it's not going to shine up because there's no camera on it. I shouldn't really wear Nike and Adidas. It's not good, is it? But thank you guys for shouting me out. Yeah, that's really, really cool of you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Much love, much love.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Blackbird, stop it up, down. Stupid that dub it up, down. Stop it up, dub it up, dub it up, da 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 da.